Good morning, everybody. So I am about to head down to visit Gracie and her kid and give them a little bit of help with their halter showing preparation. And I'm gonna leave the horses out today, I believe, because it's a beautiful day and I'm kind of in a hurry. So I'm gonna get my stuff together and then I'm gonna head down there to go visit them. So I'm here with Gracie and Gracie's kid and we are about to do some halter work. Gracie! Look at all the sand that's in her shoes. There's a little pile of it right there.
Hello everyone, it's Merida, and today I have decided to give anyone that I'm going against in the horse show, I want to give you a hint of my costume. So the hint is, it's going to be fantastic. We found a saddle that fits. Yay!
Well, I am back from visiting Gracie's kid, and Matthew over there is helping me get the drag hooked up so that we can get the arena dragged. And then I have some people coming over who I think are gonna let me play with their horse for a little while sometime soon, which is exciting. Another gypsy. Woohoo! So today has been one of those like rush kind of days, which is why there hasn't been a lot of footage. I've just been running from one thing to the other. I've got a lot to do today. I've got some people coming over this afternoon who I believe are going to be bringing me a horse to play with over the summer, which I'm really looking forward to. And it's a really cool horse too. So that should be good. Her name is Glory. And yeah, they're coming by today to check out the farms, kind of see what it's about, all that kind of thing. And then our neighbor that we just met, I think we talked about them the other day. I'll have to check. But that neighbor is coming over as well to come see the place and everything. They also have a gypsy. Actually, 2 gypsies now. So we're making some gypsy friends and having a good time. So I've got to get the place looking a little nicer. I need to blow out the barn and stuff. But yeah, so I'm going to do that and then they should be here in about an hour. You're wonderful.
I know.
Deal with it.
I deal with it.
Good. Man and his dog. Man riding his dog. Battery dying. Good news, there's one in my pocket.
Andre, you're filthy. But you like your butt rubbed, don't you? Oh, yeah. Look at him just rolling around. That's a dirty dog.
I think they're here. There's a caterpillar on Stroker.
A caterpillar?
It's crawling up him. Right there.
Stroker, you got a caterpillar on you. You got a caterpillar on you. Hey, we got friends coming.
Oh, it's so dark, you can't even see us. Hi guys, we're here, but you can't see us. Guys, we didn't do a particularly good job of vlogging today. We were kind of running like crazy, both of us. Matthew had a bunch of work to get. It's a Monday. You know how Mondays are.
Monday work days are like...
I've seen him in his
That's why
office.
I don't schedule meetings on Mondays.
That's because he'd be in there just like he literally does that. Put that away. Get your butt out of here. He's gonna kick me in the head. Are you guys gonna let him do that to me? He stole my dog. That's my dog.
I'll get you and this little dog too. Oh no, that just scared me.
Tootsie was actually my papa's dog before he passed. So she's like extra special. Extra special. Mwah. I love her. Andre, we found on Craigslist. Andre's a Craigslist dog.
I don't know.
Nope, that was not a good noise. So when you live in a horse farm and you hear a crazy noise at night, you drive down to the barn and you check on the horses because that was a horrible noise. I don't know if you guys could hear that through the camera, but it was awful. It was an awful noise. So we are out looking at making sure all the horses are okay. Can you see Anthem?
Not yet.
Whistle.
Yeah, there he is.
Is he alright?
I can see him.
Are all of his legs attached? Can you fit down there? Getting out might be fun.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, he's fine. Here's Anthem. Alright. Well, Anthem is okay. Alright, where's Stroke?
He's right there.
Can you see him? Where? Oh, good, he's right there. Stroker's alright. And now Tuesday. Where's Tuesday? There she is. Oh. Alright. Alright, so they're all okay. Phew! Horses are fine. Well, it would appear that all the animals are fine, so it must have been landlords or something over there. But Matthew texted them, so hopefully everything's okay. Beep, 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 beep. Ow, he bit me.
Our bonus treat for tonight, we just watched Dano's video, him doing the 5-minute tag about Disney questions. So he tagged everybody, and we're part of everybody, so we're gonna go ahead and do it. Yes.
It is actually the Walt Disney World specific 30 questions in 5 minutes. I need to come up with a timer. Let's see, does my phone have enough? My phone has 2% battery. Let's see.
Well, we could just use the camera timer. And so, you know, we'll let it get to 1 minute. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Go! First time you went to Walt Disney World.
I believe I was a young child. I think I was in my mom's womb.
I don't remember. I was very, very small. Very, very small. Favorite Walt Disney World park?
Epcot.
Hollywood Studios, pre all the adjustments they've just done. Favorite land in Magic Kingdom? Adventureland.
Tomorrowland.
Favorite on-site hotel? Polynesian.
Yacht.
Favorite snack? Jalapeno cheddar pretzels. Oh, or the citrus swirl. I don't know.
Epcot, the chewy caramel bar.
Ooh. Favorite souvenir? Pins.
T-shirts, I guess. I don't know.
Favorite table service? Ohana.
Ohana.
That's for dinner though, not the breakfast. Favorite counter service? Harbor House, probably.
Yak and Yeti.
Oh, that's a good one. Favorite character dining? The Garden Grill with Chip and Dale and those guys.
Sure.
Favorite ride? Tower
Toy
of
Story.
Terror. Least favorite ride? Stitch's Great Escape in Tomorrowland is awful.
Mission Space.
Have you even ridden Mission Space?
Nope.
It's cheating.
That's how much I don't like it.
Favorite show? Festival of the Lion King.
Festival of the Lion King is the best show.
Favorite parade? It's probably the Boo to You parade.
Boo to you. Oh, well, on the time limit.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Well, I mean, I like.
I don't know. They're all good. Festival of Fantasy is awesome, and the
What's
Electric
the
Light
one?
Parade
What's
is
the 3 o'clock parade?
Festival of Fantasy.
3 o'clock parade.
Festival of Fantasy. I like all of the parades pretty much. I don't have a least favorite parade. Favorite fireworks?
We haven't seen Star Wars yet.
We haven't seen Star Wars on
Illuminations is mine.
Wishes.
Until it's gone.
Favorite Epcot pavilion? Japan.
So hard.
2 hours later.
Japan.
He sounds so disappointed.
Well, they're all so good.
What was your last Magic Band color?
Gray.
I think we finally got gray ones, yeah. Favorite face character meet and greet? Gaston. Easy.
Gaston. Whatever. No. One of the princesses. Yeah.
They're not fun. They're just like, yeah, I'm a pretty
Oh,
princess.
maybe with you. With me, they're like, oh, your muscles are so big.
No princess has ever said that to you.
I know.
Favorite non-face character meet and greet? Stitch.
Stitch is pretty fun, actually.
I love Stitch. Stitch is the best. Stitch is the best. Favorite character you haven't met but want to?
Wait.
Or favorite character you haven't met but want to?
I don't know. I haven't met him. Oh, Joy and Sadness.
Oh yeah, we really want to meet Joy and Sadness. I've also never seen Bert in the parks, and it'd be really fun to see Mary Poppins with Bert. Favorite attraction that's no longer there? Pretty much all of Hollywood Studios.
Yeah.
All of it that they've gotten rid of. Best Disney World memory? Probably that one day that we spent the whole day watching Mulch. That was so much fun.
That was
like the best
day ever.
And until the end, at which point it was awful.
Then it got really sad really fast.
But it was really fun to spend the whole day. Favorite time of year to attend Disney World?
The fall.
Halloween. Halloween season is the best. I'm not a big Halloween person, but it is so much fun.
Crowds are low, it's not hot.
September is like the thing. Favorite Disney water park? I've never been to one.
Never been to one.
So we also don't have a favorite water park slide. Monorail or ferry boat?
Monorail.
Movie you'd love to see represented in one of the parks?
Harry Potter.
You're awful.
They're doing Avatar. Was that a Disney movie?
No.
Yeah, well there
Good
you go.
point. What movie would I love to see? Come on, brain.
Next question.
Favorite dance party?
Like,
I guess that one.
The Halloween?
Yeah, the ones at Halloween. Favorite Main Street shop, Emporium, because...
Yeah, they got
Or
some
the
cool
bakery
stuff.
with the Starbucks.
Or the ice cream shop. Or where all the candy stuff is.
I kind of like all of it. Favorite Disney Springs shop?
Lego store! Or Ghirardelli. Hurry up, one more question.
I love sandwich. Favorite seasonal event?
Halloween.
Done. Hey, we did it. How was it?
Well, I mean, we stopped a few times. I think we actually did it in 5 minutes.
Plus there's 2 of us.
Any cuts that you saw was because I was yawning.
I might not got them.
That's our tag for today, guys.
Listen, we tag everybody, just like Dano did.
We know Taylor.
We
You
know
get
you.
to do it.
And anybody else who wants to do it, just make sure you tag us so that we can like see your video. Or like Dano had everybody do, just put your answers down below.
Do it.
Do it.
Do it.
We're going to bed now. This time it's for real.
Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for thumbs upping this video. Thanks for loving the toot almost as much as Amanda does.
Tell us how much you love the toot. That's your second thing that you have to do. If you haven't been to a Disney park, or if you don't know how to answer all those questions, then I need you to describe accurately in words how much you love the toot, okay? Look at her. I mean, this is the cutest little toot you've ever seen toot. Toot, 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 toot. If you've ever seen a cuter toot than our toot, I'd like to hear about it. This is the best toot. You're the only toot. It's like Tigger's.
Good night.